Hey, fellow entrepreneurs out there, this is Eric, and it is Monday. We are starting off a really exciting week. This week, we are going to be doing a 5-part educational series on Facebook advertising. We're going to break it down from step 1 to step 5. This is going to be a very basic course, but by the end of it, by the end of Friday, you should be able to know how to set up a successful Facebook campaign with all the follow-up series and all that good stuff. So, today, Monday, we are going to start, and this is just a breakdown. Today, we're going to start with installing pixel codes, custom pixel codes, and how to manage your ROI based on the data you'll collect from those pixels. So that'll help you understand what type of budget you should be setting for your campaigns. Tuesday, we're going to talk about choosing the correct campaign creative. So we're talking about what types of images to use, how to maximize those images or videos, and also what type of objectives you should be choosing for your campaigns, whether it should be clicks to website, conversion, maximizing conversions, all that good stuff, brand awareness. Wednesday is going to be a really, really exciting episode. I know this is a tough one for a lot of entrepreneurs out there, which is going to be interest targeting. We're going to do interest targeting based on interest versus custom audiences versus lookalike audiences, which one you should be using. Thursday, we're going to be discussing landing pages. And yes, you absolutely should be using landing pages. If you're sending people from your Facebook ads to your website, likely you're doing it wrong. So we're going to talk about landing page software, how to set up a high converting landing page, all that good stuff. That's probably going to be a little bit of a longer episode. And then finally on Friday, we are going to be talking about email marketing and how to set up a good follow-up series for your new prospects to turn them into people showing up to your door. So I'm really excited about that. Today we're going to kick off with the pixel codes. I hope this is educational. So we're just going to go straight into day 1, which is Monday, which is learning how to use the pixels. All right, guys, so here we are going to discuss how to install your Facebook pixels and how to track some custom conversions here. So this is really important stuff, and it really isn't as difficult as you might think it is. Pretty simple stuff. So first thing you want to do is I highly recommend you use Google Chrome, only because it just works very, very seamlessly with Facebook's Power Editor. And another reason is because it has this very helpful extension, which is the Facebook Pixel Helper, which you add to Chrome, and it adds this little button right here, which lets you know if there are any active Facebook pixels on the pages that you're visiting. So it will also tell you if your Facebook pixel is working correctly, and if not, it might give you some insight as to what the errors are, okay? If the conversion pixel is possibly installed wrong. So I just pulled up Rogue's website right here just so you could see. So I just went to a website that I know had a Facebook pixel installed. Here it is. It's got this little green 3, which means there's 3 little pixel IDs that it found, which is page view, view content, and microdata. So I know that Facebook is tracking my actions on this page. Excuse me. Okay, so we are going to set up our own Facebook pixel on our landing page. So we're going to do kind of a make-believe if we were going to run our own Facebook ad offer to a landing page. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Business Manager and then the Power Editor, okay? And we are going to go to Pixels. All right, I actually have it open here. And what we're going to do from here is click Set Up Pixel. So you might not see that if you already have played around with the pixels before, but if you have and that screen didn't pop up, just click this button right here that says Setup. Okay, it'll take you to this little pop-up that we're at right now. We're going to click Manually Install the code yourself. We're going to come to number 2 right here and copy that to clipboard. And I have my landing page already preloaded. Okay, I'm using ClickFunnels. Okay, this is my preferred landing page software. It works and integrates really, really well with all the third-party software that I use, and its tracking statistics are just awesome. So we're gonna just open up my mock squeeze page. Okay, now this is a very, very generic template that has nothing to do with gyms. I just wanted it to be cut and dry so it wouldn't distract anyone. So don't even worry about the landing page. That's not what we're talking about today. We're going to go to Settings, Tracking Code. So settings, tracking code, and I already installed it just to preview, make sure this would work all correctly. But we're going to go to the header code, and I'm just going to re-paste it in, okay? Show you how simple that is. Now, if you're using different landing page software or a WordPress site, which I wouldn't recommend for a landing page, but it would just go in the header code. If you have issues doing that, you can certainly just shoot me a message, and I'd be happy to help you out. But okay, so we installed the page view pixel. We're going to save, and then just to test it, because we have this new fancy extension over here, we're going to go to preview, and because it's green, it found the page view, which is excellent. So that means it's working. Good. But this is not the most important pixel that we'll be using today. Okay. We're going to go to the thank you page. All right. We'll come back to this in a second. We're going to go back to Facebook pixel. We're going to click continue. And we're going to click generate lead, because we want to know, for this purpose of tracking our leads for our free trial or whatever we're running. Okay. We want to know how much it's costing us per lead. We're going to copy that to clipboard, go back to our landing page. Now we're at the thank you page, not the squeeze page. So the thank you page will only be seen by people who have put in their information. We're going to edit this page. Okay. And tracking code. We're going to put the original Facebook code in the header code again. Okay, this is the page view. But in the footer code, and I already put it in here, we're going to put in that new code that just tracks the leads. Okay, so that's in there for you. And now I am going to save it and preview it. And that preview is just a test. And there we go. It shows me that, okay, it's a lead. All of these pixels are working. And now Facebook, the pixel is going to specifically track just individuals who come to this thank you page. So that helps me when I do run an A campaign. Let's see if I can bring this up real quick. Okay, I think I have old one here. All right, so I don't have it running on this specific ad because this was just a test ad, but I can come to this little blue button here. Okay, add other columns. And I'm going to come down to conversions on my website and click website leads. Okay. And that website leads will be populated each time that pixel fires. And it'll tell me, based on how much money I've spent on the ad, how much each lead costs me. So that way I can really easily determine what my ROI, my return on investment is, how much it costs me per lead. And what I should be spending on my campaigns. And I'm going to go into another video this week that helps you determine what your budgets are. There's a lot of math that's involved there. But having these custom pixels in here really helps you, really helps analyze that data and gives you the correct numbers down to the penny. So you can really, really easily track how much each lead is costing you. Which is going to be really, really important math down the line. All right, guys, I hope this was a helpful pixel video. I can certainly talk about this stuff for hours, so if you want to know more or want me to make additional content on the pixel, please, please, please just shoot me a message and I'll make that content right away for you guys as soon as I can. Aside from that, this was just day 1 of the 5-day Facebook course. So day 2, tomorrow we're going to be talking about the ads creative, what type of creative content you should be creating for your ads, and how the differences between videos, canvas ads, and images, what the benefits and drawbacks are. And then on Wednesday, interest targeting versus custom audiences versus lookalike audience. On Thursday is the big landing page show. So we'll be going in depth about landing pages, how to create one, and how to manage it. And then Friday, I'll make a video about email marketing, which is a big must know how to do video. So Any additional content you want from me, please just ask. If I missed anything, I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching.